Paano nga ba mag-start sa YouTube marketing? Kung gusto mo malaman ang sagot, huwag kang aalis. Hi there everyone! Welcome back to my channel, a new place for networkers, entrepreneurs, coaches, and small business owners na gusto matuto kung paano makakuha ng leads at prospects sa YouTube by building an authority in this platform. Okay guys, let's get started. Para makapagsimula ka na sa YouTube marketing mo, 4 na bagay lang ang kailangan mo sa ngayon. Remember, 4 things only. Huwag kang muna mag-isip kung anong specs ng camera, anong mic, anong editing software, at kung ano-ano pa. Simple lang ang kailangan mo, 4 na bagay lang. Una is yung camera. Okay? Hindi kailangan guys na naka-DSLR yung camera nyo sa ngayon. Kahit mobile phone is pwedeng-pwede nyo na pong gamitin as long as meron siyang video capturing na features. And then as long as na naka 5MP pataas po siya, pwede na po kayo magsimula ng YouTube marketing nyo. And guys, if you want to know yung advice ko or mga cheap vlogging equipment na ginamit ko din, you can check on this link. Sa link na to guys, I will show you basic or mga mumurahing gamit lang na pwede nyo ma-afford, okay? Para makapag-upgrade kayo konti ng inyong mga kagamitan when it comes to video marketing or YouTube marketing guys. And then the next thing, number 2 is the topic. Of course, kailangan yung meron kayong specific niche na gagawa nyo ng topic, na gagawa nyo ng content. So, kung if you are on travel, vlog, if you are in cooking, in your business, in digital, in coaching. So, ayun, dapat alam nyo po yung topic na create nyo na dapat na i-upload nyo sa YouTube video nyo, guys. Okay? Para you will be targeting also the right audience and eventually you will have an offer for them. Okay? The next thing is internet, of course. Dapat meron kayong internet, guys. Kahit naka-data lang, pwede na po kayo mag-start. Kahit wala kayong yung naka-wired talaga na internet. Even me, I also started using data my mobile phone. Kasi dito sa internet, kailangan natin gumawa ng account sa YouTube channel. Of course, kailangan natin i-upload yung mga videos natin. Okay, kailangan natin mag-update. So, kailangan natin mag-reply sa mga comments ng mga audience natin. So, dapat talaga meron kayong internet. Kahit data lang sa ngayon, guys. And then, the fourth one is, ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat is ikaw. Ikaw mismo, okay? Kaya nga tinatawag itong YouTube marketing, guys, kasi walang marketing or walang YouTube kung walang you. Kaya nga may you sa YouTube kasi it's all about you. Okay, guys, don't make things very complicated as of now. So, I hope meron na naman kayong makuhang aral at inspiration sa video na to para makapagsimula ka na rin ng YouTube channel mo para sa business. So, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-like sa video na to. Subscribe guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be happy kung nag-subscribe kayo para maka-receive kayo ng update. At huwag din kalimutan na i-like, i-share ang video na to guys. Kung gusto niyo po siyang i-share. Question of the day, what is your biggest takeaway from this video? Just leave a comment below in this video. Okay, and I will get back to you soon. See you in my next video guys.